How to fix Instagram Notes music not showing. So if you want to fix Instagram Notes music not showing, then what you need to do is first you need to update the application because Instagram Notes music is a new update. So if you've not updated your application, then you will not get that interface or you'll not get that option. So open up your Play Store or your App Store, go with the search. Under search, you need to search for Instagram and then tap on Instagram and then tap on update. Once you tap on update, it will start the update, and after updating you will get all of the new updates and you will get all of the features. So you just need to simply update your application. Once you've updated, you need to open up your Instagram, and you need to go with the notes, which is here on the upper left. Once you tap on note, here you will get two options. One is music, one is camera. So you can simply add music notes to your Instagram. So if you don't get this option, then what you need to do is go back, and after that you need to simply go with your profile, which is on the bottom right, go with the upper right, and once you're on the upper right, it will take you to the settings and activity, and you need to scroll down and then go with the help option. Tap on help and then tap on report a problem, and then again tap on report a problem, and you need to go with your explanation. So you need to write that, hello Instagram team, I've updated my Instagram application, and even after updating I don't get the updates of the Instagram notes music, so please help me with that problem. And once you've written all of that, you need to go with send, which is on the upper right. Once you tap on send, your feedback will be sent and you will get some help from the Instagram team. So that's how you can fix your Instagram notes music not showing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.